go ahead. Yep, ready?
Okay.
You just go ahead. Just go when you're
Okay.
ready. It doesn't matter.
Okay, cool. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the importance of measuring your flour. And I'm going to do a little demonstration showing how the different measuring methods affect the amount of flour you're actually using and therefore affecting your recipe and how well your end product will turn out. So starting, we're going to look at how weighing your flour compares to spooning and leveling and scooping flour. So starting off here, I have weighed out the flour, and approximately about 120 grams equals 1 cup of flour. So this is our control for this, you can see. So starting off, I'll do the spoon and level. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna spoon the flour into the cups, and then at the end I'll just kind of like level it off to keep it even. And this just a half cup, so I'll do 2 of them. Okay. And that, we'll see here, once I measure it, is 142 grams. So even with that, it's 22 grams over, but measuring. Okay. So this next one I'm gonna do where you just scoop in, and then I'll just use my finger to level it off. I'll do another one. Level. And then, wonder what this will be. So I'll measure this here, and that is 148. So we can see that is 28 grams over a cup. So if this is 120, this was 142, and that's 148. We can see there's a big difference. And if you have a couple cups measured this way, you're gonna end up having up to like an extra half cup of flour in your recipe, which can really affect it. So summary here, if you can get a kitchen scale, I recommend it. They're only like 10 bucks on Amazon. I don't make any money off affiliate sales, but it just will save you so much stress and help you be that much more effective in the kitchen. If you don't have one, do the spoon level. And if you do spoon level, maybe go a little on the conservative side with your flour, and try at all costs to avoid scooping your flour. So hope this helped today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great night.